When it comes to relationships, it's often the small gestures that can make a big difference. From playing with their hair to sending sweet messages, there are plenty of cute things girls can do that guys may appreciate. These behaviors can help create a stronger emotional bond. Increase relationship satisfaction. Make the guy feel loved and cared for. So today we are going to explore 15 cute things girls do that guys love. Provide some insights into why these behaviors can be so effective in building and maintaining a healthy relationship. So, if you're looking to add some extra sweetness to your relationship, watch this video for some tips and inspiration. If you want to learn more about psychology, self-improvement, motivation, love and relationships, health and wellness, intriguing facts, please subscribe my channel. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Playing with their hair. There's something undeniably endearing about a girl who plays with her hair. Whether she twirls it around her finger or runs her fingers through it absent-mindedly, this behavior can be incredibly attractive to guys. Perhaps it's the carefree and playful nature of the gesture. Or maybe it's the way it frames her face and draws attention to her features. Whatever the reason, playing with hair can be a cute and flirty way to show interest and make a guy feel noticed. Number 2. Laughing at their jokes. A good sense of humor is a highly valued trait in a partner. And guys love it when girls appreciate their funny side. Whether it's a silly pun or a clever quip, making a guy laugh can be a way to create a fun and positive atmosphere in a relationship. When a girl laughs at a guy's jokes, it not only boosts his confidence but also creates a sense of connection and shared enjoyment. Number 3. Being affectionate. Physical touch can be a powerful way to show affection and create intimacy in a relationship. Guys appreciate it when girls initiate physical contact. Whether it's a hug, a kiss, or simply holding hands. Being affectionate can create a sense of comfort, security, and trust between partners, and can help foster a stronger emotional bond. Number 4. Giving compliments. Everyone likes to feel appreciated and valued. And guys are no exception. Girls who give compliments, whether it's about their appearance, personality, or accomplishments, can make a guy feel seen and appreciated. These positive affirmations can boost his self-esteem and make him feel more confident in the relationship. Number 5. Sending sweet messages. In today's digital age, text messages and social media have become a common way to communicate with partners. Girls who send sweet messages, such as a thoughtful text, a love note, or a voice message, can make a guy feel loved and cared for. These messages can be a cute and romantic way to express feelings and let the guy know he's on her mind. Number 6. Being supportive. When a guy feels like his partner has his back, it can be incredibly empowering and reassuring. Girls who are supportive, whether it's by offering a listening ear, providing advice, or simply being there for him, can make a guy feel like he can conquer anything. This behavior can help create a sense of trust and loyalty in the relationship, and can also foster a deeper emotional connection. Number 7. Wearing their clothes. There's something undeniably cute and endearing about a girl who wears her guy's clothes. Whether it's a hoodie, a t-shirt, or a pair of sweatpants, girls who wear their partner's clothes can make them feel appreciated and loved. It's a cute and playful way to show that she's thinking of him and that she values his belongings. Number 8. Cooking for them. Food is often associated with love and care, and cooking for a guy can be a cute and romantic way to show affection. Girls who prepare a meal for their partner, whether it's a fancy dinner or a simple snack, can make them feel appreciated and special. It's a thoughtful gesture that can create a sense of warmth and comfort in the relationship. Number 9. Being spontaneous. Sometimes the best moments in a relationship are the ones that are unplanned and unexpected. Girls who are spontaneous, whether it's by suggesting a spontaneous road trip, trying a new activity together, or simply surprising their partner with a thoughtful gift, can create a sense of adventure and excitement in the relationship. This behavior can also help break up the routine and create new shared memories. Number 10. Being playful. Being playful can be a fun and cute way to add some extra spark to a relationship. Girls who tease, tickle, or playfully flirt with their partner can create a sense of lightheartedness and fun. This behavior can also create a sense of intimacy and closeness. As partners engage in playful banter and physical touch, Number 11. Being understanding. In a relationship, it's important to be able to see things from your partner's perspective. Girls who are understanding and empathetic, whether it's by listening to their concerns, acknowledging their feelings, or simply giving them space when needed, can make a guy feel heard and appreciated. This behavior can help build trust and respect in the relationship, and can also foster a deeper sense of emotional intimacy. Number 12. Surprising them. Surprises can be a fun and exciting way to show your partner how much you care. Girls who plan a surprise date, prepare a surprise gift, or simply do something unexpected and sweet can create a sense of excitement and anticipation in the relationship. These surprises can also create new shared memories and help strengthen the bond between partners. Number 13. Being independent. Guys appreciate girls who are confident and independent, as it can be an attractive quality in a partner. Girls who pursue their own interests, have their own goals, and are comfortable being alone can make a guy feel proud and impressed. This behavior can also help create a sense of balance and respect in the relationship, as partners support each other's individual growth and development. Number 14. Showing interest in their hobbies. Everyone likes to feel like their interests and hobbies are valued and appreciated. Girls who take an interest in their partner's hobbies, whether it's by joining in on a game, attending a concert or event, or simply asking questions about their interests, can make a guy feel understood and appreciated. This behavior can also create a sense of shared enjoyment and connection in the relationship. Number 15. Being themselves. Perhaps the most important thing a girl can do to make a guy love her is simply being herself. Guys appreciate girls who are authentic, genuine, and true to themselves. When a girl is comfortable in her own skin and confident in who she is, it can be an attractive quality that draws guys in. This behavior can also create a sense of trust and comfort in the relationship. As partners accept and appreciate each other for who they truly are, it's important to remember that every relationship is unique and what works for one couple may not work for another. However, incorporating some of these cute behaviors into your relationship can help create a deeper emotional connection and show your partner how much you care. It's also important to communicate openly and honestly with your partner about your needs and expectations in the relationship. By listening to each other's concerns and working together to build a strong foundation, you can create a happy and healthy relationship that lasts. Remember, at the core of any successful relationship is love, respect, and mutual understanding. By showing your partner how much you love and appreciate them, you can create a relationship that is full of joy, happiness, and fulfillment. In addition, it's worth noting that these behaviors are not limited to just girls or guys. Anyone in a relationship can incorporate these cute behaviors to show their partner how much they care. The important thing is to be genuine and sincere in your actions, and to always strive to build a deeper emotional connection with your partner. It's also worth keeping in mind that relationships are not always easy. There will be ups and downs, disagreements, and misunderstandings. However, by incorporating some of these cute behaviors into your relationship, you can help strengthen the bond between you and your partner, and weather any storm that comes your way. In the end, a happy and healthy relationship is one that is built on a foundation of love, trust, and mutual respect. By incorporating some of these cute behaviors into your relationship, you can help create a deeper emotional connection with your partner and show them how much you care.